Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something really close to our hearts, showing respect to our teachers. Teachers, they do so much more than just deliver lessons. They inspire,
Yeah,
guide,
absolutely.
and literally shape our futures.
Exactly. And it's interesting how something as simple as saying thank you, teacher, can make a huge
Yep, that's so
difference.
true.
They give us not only knowledge, but also the confidence to explore our potential, right?
Right. And it's fascinating when you think about it. Just a few friendly words like, thank you for your patience, or I appreciate your help, can really brighten someone's day. It's like
Definitely.
these little tokens of gratitude add up to something really powerful.
For sure. And it's not just the words we choose, it's about lending an ear, showing good manners like please, excuse me, and even those simple phrases that politely ask for clarification, like could you please explain that
Right,
again?
exactly.
It's these steps that build a respectful atmosphere, especially in classrooms.
Absolutely. Say, it's like when you're learning something new and you might get stuck, and instead of fuming, you politely ask, could you please go over that part again?
Yeah, I get
It
that.
creates a mutual respect that really reinforces the positive relationship between teachers and students, wouldn't you say?
I definitely would. And speaking of reinforcing those bonds, it's not just about words, right? There's also the beautiful act of showing gratitude, maybe by writing a thank you note or even offering a small gift. Even a sincere
Yep,
smile or a
exactly.
kind nod can speak volumes.
Right. It's like um, turning gratitude into an action. When you go the extra mile saying, you've made a difference in my life, that's such a heartfelt way to acknowledge all the effort teachers put into every lesson. Of
Really
course, some
resonates
might
with me.
argue that simple verbal thanks are enough, but I think a little extra effort can make the appreciation feel even more genuine.
I see your point, but then again, don't you think sometimes it might feel a bit over the top if not every student has the same opportunity or comfort, you know? For instance, writing a note might not come naturally to everyone, but even a small personalized
True,
gesture
I can see
generally
that
makes a
perspective.
difference. It's all about the sincerity behind it.
Totally. And one of my favorite parts of this approach is how it even encourages role play scenarios. Imagine a scenario in class. A student politely greets, good morning, ma'am. Thank you for helping me with my project. And then the teacher, feeling appreciated, responds with, you're welcome. I'm proud of your hard work. It's a win
Yes.
win, showing both respect and a boost of confidence.
Exactly. It's like a practical demonstration. And speaking of practical, there's that natural element of care, where respect isn't just reserved for formal situations, but is part of everyday interaction.
Yeah,
When we extend
absolutely.
that respect every day, it really sets a tone for a positive, nurturing environment in classrooms and society at large.
Right, because at the end of the day, teachers deserve respect every day. It's about being kind, attentive, and genuinely grateful. I think we all can agree that when respect is a habit, it transforms our learning spaces into spaces of hope
You hit
and
the nail on the head
encouragement.
there. And hey, if we reflect on what we just talked about today, it's not really groundbreaking advice, but rather timeless wisdom, treating those who mentor us with the care they deserve.
Exactly, exactly.
It's something that keeps on giving back, both in our personal lives and within our communities.
Right. Let's just keep in mind that showing respect, whether it's by using polite words or by a simple act of gratitude, creates a cycle of positivity. It's like a ripple effect. One gentle act can inspire many more.
Yep, absolutely. So, as we wrap up, let's keep that promise to be kind, respectful, and supportive to those teachers who make such a big impact in our lives.
Right, let's never
Remember,
forget their
even the
contributions.
smallest gesture, like a kinder, heartfelt thank you, goes a long way.
Exactly. Keep learning and keep respecting because these simple acts help build a better future for all of us. Thanks for tuning in,
Yeah, without
everyone.
a
We'll
doubt.
catch you next time.